Hey y'all, welcome back to our channel. I've kind of been dying to do this for a while, and it might have like a little bit of a negative vibe going on with this video, but really I hope that at the end of the day you are totally excuse-free and motivated to start promoting your story. And we're not just gonna like go over all the social media stuff, because if you want to know about social media and how we utilize it, you know what I do. It'll be somewhere in here that you can click and watch that video. But what we're going to talk about today is kind of debunking some of people's, it may not be yours, but definitely maybe you'll find one in here that you are using, your excuses that are stopping you from promoting your story. And I get it. It's kind of hard because it's tooting your own horn, and we're always taught to be, be humble. But look, if you wrote a great story, toot your horn. I want you to toot your horn. Yeah. And I want you not to have, toot toot. I want you not to have any excuses for doing that. So we're going to kind of go through these, debunk these for you, and hopefully give you a couple little fun, facts along the way, because we did some research on this one, because there's an excuse that drives us absolutely nuts, and I believe it's our first excuse, and Rachel's going to tell you all about it.
Here's the first excuse. I'm an introvert. Me too. Us too. Big time. Most artists are. Actually, social media is kind of perfect for an introvert, because you don't have to go anywhere. You don't have to talk to anybody. You do it all and you post it from your house or wherever you want to post it from. And the other thing that really has nothing to do with promoting your book is the actual definition of introvert versus extrovert. And I'm going to educate you here. So if you already know this, good. I'm glad that you do. If you don't know this, and if you are one of these people who confuses these two terms, listen. Being an introvert or an extrovert has nothing to do with how shy or outgoing you are. It has everything to do with your battery. That's what we'll call it. Your battery of your mind and your heart and your emotions. Does being with others energize you? When you go to a party or a get together or dinner or whatever, or at work when you have to be around people, does that give you energy and you feel good? And then when you're not around people anymore, you feel a little down maybe. That means you're an extrovert. If you're an introvert like we are, being with people,
it's exhausting.
Aside from, and even so, sometimes even the people that we love the most, yes, when it's all a bunch of them together, whew. But when you're around a bunch of people, that drains your battery. And you need to go home and be by yourself. I went and sat for 7 hours the other day with coworkers, and we played board games. It was fun. It was fun. And that's all we did. We ate and drank and played board games. And I left and was exhausted. And I was like, why am I tired? And then I was like, oh yeah, I haven't spent that long with other people all summer. So I'm tired. Like, it drains me. I need time to go by myself and be at home where it's quiet. That means I'm an introvert. People who say, but I'm an introvert, I'm shy. Two totally different things, because I am not shy and neither are you. Nothing about us is shy. I don't like public speaking that much, but that doesn't mean I'm shy. I'm afraid I'm gonna sound stupid or say the wrong thing. That doesn't have anything to do with being shy. I'll talk to anybody. I am friendly. I'm not withdrawn. That has nothing to do with being an introvert. So don't sit there and say, I'm an introvert, so I can't promote my book. That doesn't even make any sense. So that goes into the next one that Crystal's going to talk about, and that's the shy excuse. So introvert excuse, lame. Stop it.
Coming from introverts, stop using it as an excuse. Being shy, you can overcome this. And I used with Rachel when we were talking about this video, it's like this. If you've ever had a significant other, and the first time you get naked and you feel super kind of like, oh no, they're going to see all my flaws.
I don't know what you're talking about. I'm perfect.
Oh, must be nice. They're going to see all my flaws. But, several decades later, even several weeks later, you get over that shyness because you realize there is safety here. And you learn how to cope through those things.
Or another example is when you get a new boyfriend and you go to their house and you have to go number 2, and instead of just going number 2, you make him go outside his own house on the porch while you go to the bathroom because you don't want to hear you. And then 10 years later, it's just like,
I shut the door.
Nobody cares.
You're talking from the bathroom. Hey! So here's what we recommend. You're going to have to keep on dipping your toes in the water. It's getting in the swimming pool, you know, cold swimming pool, step by step by step. Or you can just dive on in, take it all off, and here you are. You're going to have to just work through it. And the shyness, once you find your comfortable spot, it'll go away.
So, shy, lame excuse. Stop it. Third excuse. I'm not good with computers. Get good. Practice, work on it, period, end of story. Let's move on.
After you're done with this video, go click on a basic computer video here on YouTube and get yourself familiar.
And if you're watching this video on your phone and you figured out enough to do that, you can do social media.
Yeah.
So, my mom has an Instagram. My mom. Come on.
You can do
You
it.
can do it. Trust me. My grandma is on Facebook. She has a lot of typos. She's on Facebook. She's 85 years old.
God bless
Get
her
together.
whole heart. Here's one that, being a mature writer on Wattpad, that I hate, and that is, I'm too old.
Stop it.
I'm just kind of looking
Stop.
I'm just looking at how many people are probably in your age group and are chilling on social media, and they're authors and they're getting it done and they have followers. Look, it's not about how old you are. It's not about how cute your face is. It's about how great your content is. And if you're putting up stuff that people are flocking to, and it's not just about your book, they're going to continue to flock to it. So quit using the excuse of your age. I hate that one. That's so stupid.
Stop it.
I'm tomorrow. Go away.
Last excuse. It's all luck anyway, so why even try? Bullshit. It is not all luck. Is some of it? Yes, of course. There's some luck in everything we do to try to succeed. But guess what? If you don't ever put anything out, how can you ever get lucky and get someone to see it? You can't.
I don't know, like,
So stop.
where everybody lives, but it's, I don't know, like the lottery. There used to be this old slogan, I don't know if they still use it, I don't watch that much TV anymore, but you say you can't win if you don't play. So the odds are always going to be against you. You're definitely not going to win if you don't do it. So stop your excuses not to promote, because they're lame. They're the stupidest excuses. And all you're doing is you're becoming your book's biggest hurdle to overcome. Not an agent, not a publisher, you're the biggest hurdle.
All right, so here's some promotion for you. If you want to read our books, go to Wattpad at Crystal and Felicity. And if you want to see us acting so dumb, go to our TikTok at Crystal and Felicity.
If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you never miss a Friday upload.
And as always, write what you love.